Joel, it's a dirty world.
Someone's got to clean it. Might as well be us. Let's make some money.
Let's do it. To our fellow cleaning company owners, frontline cleaners, people who just want to find out what's going on out there, we are launching out a new form on the Docs site specifically for this podcast. You are welcome to submit your questions, your head scratchers, your I'm not quite sure what to do with this. Even if you have a when employees do dumb things story, you may actually get a call from the doc.
I would appreciate it because myself, I've been in this industry 42 years, and come January, I will own my own company for 12. I wish that there had been this type of a podcast that I could have gotten some base information, some guidance, some help to get me going in the right direction. You know, I am reaching out, though, to those that either own a business or it's a small business or it's even just an idea. Or maybe you are that frontline employee that's thinking, I may want to do this one day. I want to make this relevant to all of you, not just about my clients, my business, and the situations that have come up. I want to answer questions that you have, that you want answered, that you can't seem to find the answers anywhere that you're turning, because I want to help you. I want you to be successful. I want you to reach your dreams.
Joel, I want to include one other group in that, and it's one that you've already worked with on a regular basis. Managers who are heading up environmental services teams inside facilities. You've worked with a lot of facilities. You've worked with a lot of universities, school districts, and those people, they face facilities challenges, staffing challenges. I bet they have questions too.
I'm sure they do.
In the description below, you'll find a link to that form. You can use that to ask technical questions, HR questions, staffing questions, questions about running, owning, or starting your own cleaning business, and addressing the needs that running a division or team of environmental services can pose. You may even be dealing with a when employees do dumb things situation. If that's the case, don't be surprised if you get a call from the doc. At Docs Facilities Consulting, our goal is cleaning for health and helping you be successful. We always appreciate a like and subscribe, and thank you.